We're getting ready to fix the yard. We're going to clean up the bush here and fallen fruit. The pathway is fixed. We just have to start getting plants in place. Putting in the lawn and plants. So putting in the soil. A lot of soil needed for this area. So this is it. It's shaping up very well. Going to put down the grass over here. So this is a quick job. And will be shaping up very well. And they're going to put down the grass over here. Mucho inundación en ambos lados. Aquí, inundación, porque no hay lugar para el agua, no hay espacio para salir, el agua no puede salir, inundación aquí. El agua del techo de garaje y aquí inundación también en el jardín entran en el garaje, no hay lugar para salir, mucha inundación en el garaje. So today we are putting in the lawn. So we're putting down the lawn today, and here we have Christian, the mastermind behind the gardening. So he put down the soil first, and now today they're putting down some nice lawn material. On this side we have a lot of stray rocks because of the rain. Some of the soil seems to have been washed away, although the same is at the bottom. You have to put more and more dirt. A lot of rocks over here too. So they're going to put down the grass and you'll see what happens. So it's looking good. I hope it stays. So here Christian is fixing up the grass next to the pool. It's helper. So Christian and ¿cómo se llama? Hey. Hola, los jardineros. Okay, gracias. So a quick stroll in the garden. We have some plants in the garden. Here we have a nice lawn area. And as we walk along, we put some plants in. Let's see at the end of the pathway here. Some nice greenery. Nice and area. So looking great. Looking great. It's a nice dry day today. Out here in the yard, and we see one mural, Madonna Charney, Black Madonna, and the Doves of Peace. The next new mural, an after shower, so a window with a view, and a window with a view to the beach, Pigeon Point.